Here I have Motorola Moto G22, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, then go to settings, then go to the system section, reset options, erase all data factory reset, erase all data, erase all data. And after about a minute or two your device will be restarted and all data will be erased. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.